Affiliate marketing tips and tricks you can use today. Affiliate marketing can be a pretty exciting business move if you know what you can expect from working with other businesses through an affiliate program. It can be a great situation for you if you can do it successfully. To ensure that this happens, try looking at the tips that are listed below. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. Make sure you're being savvy with your affiliate advertising. Simply throwing up ads at random will be a turnoff to many clients. Make sure the theme of the ads resonate with your customers and complements the overall tone of your website. If your website is geared towards customers who are avid hunters, for example, make sure the affiliate ads that you choose are connected in some way with that content on your site. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing programs, you have to be seen as trustworthy. If you are attracting a regular base of readers for the information that you are putting out, you do not want to drive them away with ads for poor quality products or gimmicks. Be cautious of internet mall websites. These are not always run by the most ethical individuals, and having your banner posted with them can actually damage your reputation. If you feel you must choose to use one, make sure you do plenty of research beforehand, on the mall and the owner. Affiliate marketing really is pretty exciting. There is so much to do and expect from working with an affiliate program in an attempt to help promote your business. That's why you need to stay focused and keep going. These tips contained advice that will be beneficial to you. Student loan.